And in this video we are going to see how we can start requesting the files from Microsoft SharePoint for one of our existing sites and the document libraries. But before moving to that, we have to make some SharePoint admin center configuration so that we were able to do that. So to do that, first of all, right now I am in the Microsoft 365 admin center, and in here I have to go in the SharePoint admin center, and from SharePoint admin center we have to go in the policy and the sharing policies. From here we can control how we want our sharing to work in terms of SharePoint and in terms of OneDrive. Right now we are looking for the SharePoint, so we can decide how we want our application or how the request files should work in terms of SharePoint. Anyone can go and share the files inside the files and the folders, or some new or existing users, existing guests, or only the peoples in your organization. That is a list permissive, and right now we have set it on the most permissive. The other thing is, what we want to make sure is we have this file and folder links option set to anyone with the link, otherwise it will not work as we expected it to work. And the expiration, we are not going to set any expiration duration, like how many days we want that particular link to be available to that user. We are going to make it available forever. And what type of permissions a user will have when they receive the link, so they can view and edit the files, and they can view, edit and upload any of the folders as well. Okay, so this is I have already done this, so it's not asking me to save, but you have to save that. Okay, so that is first thing which we have to do. And let me go and check one of my existing application, that is one of the existing site, that is Dev Food Chain, and let's see how its sharing is configured. Right now the by default value is new and existing guest, so those are the permissions who can go and share files inside this site of Dev Food Chain. So make anyone go and upload any of the files or folders inside this site. We can go and change this option for external sharing from new and existing guests to anyone. Okay, if we don't enable this option, it will not work for any of the users, so this is very much required thing. So let me just and other options like default sharing link type, it is going to have the same organization level settings what we saw, and also the default link permissions as we set in the admin center. Let me hit save. So my sharing settings has been updated successfully. Now let me go and open up this Dev Food Chain site, and from the site content, let me try to create a new document library. Oops, I click on the wrong way. We go into the site content, and let me create a new document library, which is going to be a blank upload files. Okay, this is the name of my document library, and inside this upload files document library, I'm going to create one new folder. I'm going to call it as uploaded files. And in my previous video I have shown how we can make the folder color change. Let me take this green color for this folder. Let me click on create. So my folder has been created successfully. Now if I go and see this, I don't see any other options in here and any new options in here. But when I select this folder, I have one more option in here called as request files. So these request files for this folder option will help the person to upload any of the files inside this folder. I can provide the description like what type of files I want them to upload in this. Let's say please upload files related to the SP design, for example. And as we see, like this description is only visible to the recipients of this request file link, so that they know what type of files are being requested. Let me click next. So there are two options to send these file requests to the person. One is using this link. I can just simply copy this link, and as it says, like anyone with this link can upload files in here. And the second option is if I want to send it to someone with a specific email address. So let's say I want to send it to this person, and if I want to add some message, I can also add some message like add files for SP design. When I click on send, it will send that email to that particular user, and also I have already copied the copy link, so the link is already been copied. And to upload that file, I am in my another browser. I haven't logged in any of the SharePoint related things in here. I am simply pasting that link in here. So as you can see, a member of Dev food chain is requesting files for, and here is the message which I typed in as a description. I can go and select files. Let me select these two files. It will ask me for my name, like who is going to upload it, so that it can capture who has uploaded those files. I can add more files if I require. For example, I'm also uploading this, which will be the same one, and I'm clicking on this upload button. So what it will do is it will trying to upload these three files of 4.54 MB, and yes, the files has been uploaded. And if I want to upload more, I can just simply click on here. It is capturing my same name which I just entered, and option to upload more files. Okay, so let me go in this folder one more time. Let's see what happened. As you can see, a few seconds ago, a modified message is there, and by modified by who is the user who has uploaded, that is also available there. If I see that, I see the guest contributor, because I am the person who is the guest contributor for the SharePoint site. I don't have logged in, so it says as guest contributor, and all of these three files which I have uploaded are available in this folder. So yeah, this is a very quick introduction about how you can do the request files function and request files for our users to upload in a specific folder inside a SharePoint, and how this can be useful when we have anyone who is not using this SharePoint but still we want to capture some files from there. Okay, I think yeah, that's it for this video. See you in the next one. Bye.